On today's video, my 2005 Mini Cooper S with 160,000 miles, we get it prepared to climb Mount Washington here in New England. This is video number 2, and video number 1 shows that I bought it 5 years ago. I sold it, bought it back just a few months ago, and I made the decision to climb Mount Washington with this car, but we have to go through it. So what did we do in this video? Front struts, brake pads, oil change, we charge the air conditioning, tires, and also we take it back to the shop and see where the oil leak is coming from, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing you the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I do travel videos throughout New England, and I talk about my life experiences. All right guys, let's get into it. My 2005 Mini Cooper S with 160,000 miles. I bought this 5 years ago from Jerry with 153,000 miles. He ordered the car brand new with all the options that you see in the car, custom made to him. I had it for a little while. I made a bunch of videos, then I sold it to a friend. They had it for 5 years. And every once in a while I'll reach out, hey, what's going on? How's the car treating you? Blah, blah, blah. And then this year I was like, hey, you want to sell it back to me? And they said yes. So I got back my Mini Cooper. I love this car, and I plan on taking it to Mount Washington because there is a group called Minis on Top. They have a 2 or 3 day event, and then they all go up to Mount Washington in the Mini Coopers. It's an event that I wanted to be involved with for many years, but I have vertigo. So I get dizzy, I get scared, I get nervous of heights, okay? So this year I want to go, and I'm prepping the car to make it safe, okay? So did I make it this year? I didn't. Too scared. I'm too scared. I'm nervous, but I have to face my fears eventually, and I'm gonna drive up there, maybe by myself or one of my friends. We'll find out. All right, so part of getting the car prepared to go up Mount Washington, we had the car checked out in the first video, and we're gonna do the front struts, we're gonna do the brakes, we're gonna do an oil change. So let's take a look.
You're keen.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And it's a couple.
I'm like, no. He's like, well, I'm in Boston. I'm like, well, what's Boston to you? I grew up in Everett, so what's Boston mean to you? He's like,
But yeah, we got that. Yeah, sure, why not? We got some meat left on those.
that's all right. We get fresh stuff anyways.
Fresh stuff. You like the fresh?
Because it does stop very well. So, I mean,
Yep.
an SUV dude. So he doesn't even have a car like with him. Like,
I'm gonna assume the bigger box is for the front pads.
front pads.
Not gonna lie, but doesn't it seem a little excessive to have a box this big for brake pads?
But did you see the box that I just gave you that weighs a half a fucking pound?
In like a bag. I'm like, really? Which was like, you know, get it running, get it driving, go through the systems, make sure it's all good. And then the, because my biggest problem is, like I said before, is I need time to do all this stuff.
Yeah, right.
And it needs to happen. So like if I start to finish it,
Is that a one-day job? Or
it's an 8-hour job. 20 fish. 20 fish to come.
That's right, buddy.
Yeah. It sucks.
Yeah.
There you go.
Little
So-
dab will do you.
Little dabby. So like I said, it's been an interesting week. So that's kind of where things are. I'm okay. So calls me at 8:15. She goes, hey, totally new.
Okay.
She goes, for me. I said, or check for codes or whatever. I'm like, yeah. I said, why don't you come at dawn? But you literally bring a battery to someone and they're like, they're just over the moon excited. Federal missions car.
Okay.
The light's not on now, but it throws a light once in a while because it's. He was a Mason. All I know, he was a Union Mason. So that's as far as I've ever known talking to Dan. Squished in it enough. Go right on. When I get up in the morning at like 5:20 or whatever, like everything, like my knees click, my back clicks. I need a few minutes for things to like. That's the truth. Definitely not so honest. I
Like shredded wheat.
yes. So. Company came out with them years ago, and they have just enough offset
Yeah.
that
Woo!
that you can reach in places where you just need to get a little bit of the whole peg, or not the whole thing. You look at it. Like, yeah, it's for the drink plug. It's like I don't. There's a filter. It pumps up into the filter, so I don't have any fear.
Oh, there you go.
That's a good spot for it. Nice hot spot for it. Dirty, but not bad. From what
Little filter.
this. Change oil, he put in 5.1 quarts, so according to that, we're good. We're definitely efficient with the spacing on this thing.
Yeah.
That looks better. There we are.
There it is. And that's the blown out one, right?
Yep, this one with all the fluid right there.
Nice.
Shit, and the trimmers and stuff, a lot of them come in cardboard, so just the
Okay, so we had to clean the motor once, twice, 3 times to see where this oil is leaking. All right, we're gonna get to that in a couple seconds. I do everything in order when I do my videos. So in this clip, just a simple brand new tires. The tires that were on it were there 7, 8 years, but they were in really good shape, but they were just old. I just wanted to refresh the tires for safety. Okay, now we go back to the shop and see where the oil is leaking. Ends up being a rear main seal, so let's take a look. Yeah. 243,000 mile TL.
Scheme of the world, that's what you have to look forward.
Cool down.
You're fucking hot in the
Let me look at the schedule.
That's a thermostat housing. I don't see anything like. I don't see anything active on top, which is good.
Okay.
So I'll look from underneath because it was right in this general area.
Okay.
So, well, that coolant. The coolant issue we had, it's a lot drier than it was.
Okay.
So I don't see any really, like, before I saw drip, now it's barely anything.
Okay.
Just like lightly moist.
Ooh, you're so gross.
And that looks like it might be a main, a rear main.
Well, like I said, if it's a rear main seal, gonna have to wait until somebody puts a clutch in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a rear main. I think rear main, buddy.
Okay. You're so right, look at that.
Supposed to be out of here at 1 o'clock on Friday.
It is, buddy.
Every Friday. We're doing everything Friday.
All right, so now we're gonna charge the air conditioning. On Mini Coopers, if you feel the passenger side a little bit cooler than the driver's side, it just needs a simple recharge. So my friend Dave, he's gonna charge it for me.
I usually do about 40. The big stuff takes like 50. So see, it's going up a little bit. I used like half a can already. It goes quick.
All right, guys, Mini Coopers with the sunroofs. They have a screen that doesn't do a great job of protect you from the sun, but they do sell these visors like this. This is not a paid advertisement. It's nothing. I'm just trying to help out my fellow enthusiasts protect themselves from the scorching sun. It takes 2 seconds to put these in. I just wanted to throw that out at you guys just to protect yourself. I think they're handy. That's all. All right, so we're gonna take my car around the block. We're gonna use the Insta360 camera. We're gonna take the drone out with my friend Dave, who's gonna drive me around to have a fun little clip. So let's take a look. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I am going to try my best to drive up Mount Washington. The thing is, it takes 2 hours and 45 minutes just to get there. And then it's 30 minutes up, you hang around, 45 minutes down, and then the other 2 hours and 40 minutes to drive home. So it's a very long day. All right, so upcoming videos. Andrea and I, we went to Kennebunkport, Maine. That is a video coming up. 3 cars that I bought since my last car video. Those will be all surprises. Little Dave has a 1966 Oldsmobile Tornado. That is dream car. We'll be doing that as well. My girlfriend's Volkswagen, 80,000 miles. Original brakes. We do the brakes over. And because last year I had a oil leak in the PCV, we simply go check on that and see how that is holding up. That was a very popular video last year. So we're going to take a look at that and see how that is going. But other than that, it is what it is. More videos. All right, guys, until the next video, Baldadonis out.